So, setting up a service contract is ginormous, and not enough operators do this because you keep the client around. You give them a low margin product for months or years, it could be. You're building a relationship. You go in, you service, you say it's good, everything works, they have no issues that upcoming season. And in that relationship, they're not looking for another provider. They're not on Google. They're not seeing a truck. They just call. It's on their fridge, or you tell them, "Hey, it's time for your seasonal service," right? And so what happens is every HVAC will need to be replaced at some point. At some point, the parts inside of it will need to be replaced. So you're the default person that they're going to call when that happens. You're not going to make the money on the servicing for years and years, right? You want to do that at cost or pretty close to it so that they don't go elsewhere. But when they need to spend some money and when there's a service that has some margin on it, who's the operator that's going to deliver that service?